Okay guys, so I have a chance now to show you the items I picked up during LDRS Creative's mega warehouse sale. I don't remember if that's how they called it, but I have that, and then I have an auto ship from HSN for Crafter's Companion. It's from the Gemini 2. Whenever I had picked that up, there was like an auto ship option, and so that has just arrived, and I haven't even played with the last one that arrived. I want to say it came in last month. I feel like these two came in really close together, but anyway, maybe it's been longer than that. Time flies, I'm telling you. If any items are still available, though, I'll link them in the description box. Those would be affiliate links. Means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links, and thank you guys so much for using those. Yeah, so let's just get right to it. Okay, let's see. HSN unboxing here. So this is, I think, number 3. The original one, right? That came with the Gemini 2, and then we've had 2 others, I want to say. What I do is I go back and I look at my videos if I can figure that out, and if not, I look at the original presentation, like on YouTube. I look it up, you know, Gemini 2, and see if I can figure out which one this is. But Bundle of Joy, to be honest, I don't make a ton of these, but the paper is so cute and things. I had no idea what this was going to look like, but here it is, Bundle of Joy collection, really cute. Items in here. I love the imagery. Like, this doesn't have to be for a baby card. It can just be something cute, right? So let's see what we have. The colors on this is super cute. I love the mint and the pinks and like a little bit of teal, whatever that is. Bundle of Joy. Again, that super thick paper that they're doing with these boxes. I really like them. Bundle of Joy. Has some info. Scan the QR code to see what you can create with that. I'll leave that there in case you want to check it out. There you go. Okay, so we have the word welcome, and then it says sweet baby or little one to the world, to the family. That's cute. Acrylic stamps. Cute little die set. Doesn't have to be baby. I love the packaging, you guys. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. If you're the type of person that likes to reuse things, I mean, you can totally cut that down. It's just cute. It just has a cute like paper look behind there. Maybe cover that area up. Use as a topper. Okay, so the little dies, and this one is cute character stamp and dies, so I can feel the stamps behind here, but let's look at the die shapes, the little balloons, and some other pennants and stuff, and then we have like little characters. Those are so cute. And then even the pennants and the balloons have stamps to go along with them. This one, Flying High Stamp and Die set. So it looks like a little banner. You have a butterfly, some cute clouds and everything. There's a little rose there, a little random. There's a die for the rose too. And then the whole hot air balloon has a die for it. This is very cute, you guys. Again, the sentiments and things obviously are going to be about babies, but you know, have congratulations. It's not typically, you can use that for anything. A new arrival, hello little one, and welcome to the world with that cute banner. And then we have a beautiful flower. Just, it's a statement flower, it says. No real way to use that. I would love to see some inspo other than that. Okay, this is what it cuts, but this is what it is. So this cut line does have, it cuts at the very ends, and then of course it has this kind of like an inlay. So pretty much what they're showing you here, where it cuts away, but then this is kind of inlaid. That's really cute. Very different. 4x6, I'm assuming, folder. That's what it looks like, up in the clouds. Stencil and embossing folder. Okay, so we saw the stencil in the Today Special. Oh, was Today Special? No. Lies. What am I talking about? The Halloween craft kit that I picked up, it had a cute, like, embossing folder, but it came with a stencil, so that's pretty cool. I like that they have that for here, so you have the texture, right, and then color too, so that's fun. This one's called Bundle of Joy. Wishing you all the best with your new Bundle of Joy. Dream big, little one. Birthday, you know, baby's first, I guess, birthday probably. Easter, hello baby. Twinkle twinkle little star. Some cute little bits to go in like your little balloon. Maybe it matches up with the other balloons, I don't know. Linen cardstock. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, even this I would recycle for like a belly band. It's so cute. Just obviously put something on top of that. But the colors are really pretty. White core. We have kind of like, I always want to say sagey, like teal color, but minty, and then that pink. Really pretty. And let's look at these papers, which I'm sure are just lovely. Now these are going to be where they're going to bring home the baby look, right? I'm assuming. So I'm trying to move that as high as I can. But look at the little bunny's bum. How cute. The blocks, again, baby toys on whitewash like wood. The background, again, if you just want to use the back. if you did get this and we're like, hey, I don't do a lot of baby stuff, but you know, you can definitely use the back side of that. I mean, this is pretty right here. It doesn't, the different areas of the paper can be more baby or less, right? I love the little baby bottle. How cute is that? Really classic. Cute grid lines on the back of this. I mean, this one's just so cute with the little hot air balloons. Made for a little girl, right? Card. I mean, the background, of course, can be anything. Yeah, no, I'm happy I got this. Very cute. Very cute. Oh my gosh, the little bears. Look at how adorable. Oh my gosh, the little whitewash wood. Hopefully it's coming through really well for you guys. Really, really cute. I mean, if I was looking for a baby set, I would love this paper pack. It's very cute. Let me put this back in and then we'll open up the LDRS Creative box. It's a big one. I haven't even opened this box yet. But again, it's been a crazy few days. Let's see. And actually I got this last week. I just didn't have time either to open it because I was doing all the different die and press videos. And I just did not have time to do literally anything else. So let's open this guy up. Ah! Okay, there we go. So I will say I ordered pretty much all of their inks, and it's not even all of them, but a good amount of them. So let's check this out. Yeah, this box is packed. Okay, well, just kind of want to show you like with all the stuffing on top, but there's plenty of stuff in here. They had some, again, 50% off deals, and so I basically grabbed their full-size inks. One of them was like a set of however many, and then there was another set of like however many more. So this is crazy, you guys. I'm gonna have to find something to hold them, and then I'm just gonna be exclusively using like these guys. Obviously, I have a ton of like Crafter's Companion ones. I have a ton of small ink pads, of course, die and press, and then like Sukaneko ones, and like close to my heart when I sold it. They don't dry out, you guys. Like if you put them away and they're stored. So there's plenty of inks, but I just really like their colors, so I went with that. So, you know, I mean, I can tell you the name of each one, but maybe not. La Lavender, Plum Crazy. I have some blue here. Again, this is Swimming Hole, Peachy Keen. I was gonna say this Iced Tea. Iced Tea, I love the brown of this. And then you can be like, oh, okay, brown. I mean, look at how different this one is, Rich Cocoa. It's just such a pretty kind of orangey brown. I love Iced Tea. Again, some purples, you know, Grape Ape. This Scarlet Rose. There's another one called something about lipstick, but I like that one. Pink Tutu. I mean, there's just Lipstick Jungle. That's the other one I really like. Oranges, yellows. I mean, I'm not gonna. They're gray, basic white, pigment. And there still are more stacks, you guys. I did not realize. And they have that many colors. That's the thing. I was really making sure, because this is two different sets that I picked up, that they were different colors and not repeated, and they weren't. So Kiss Me Red. We have Four Leaf, and then like Evergreen, and then this one's probably more of an olive. Yeah, Olive Branch. Again, with the browns, this is a really, really dark one. This is Coffee Bean. That's totally different from the brown color of like Iced Tea. So that's kind of where I spent my money. Little Boy Blue. A very light fairy dust. So again, all these purples, and they're all different. Again, you know, what are we working on? What are we wanting? It's this one, yeah, I was gonna say denim, but it's called Dark Wash Jeans, but I remember it has something to do with like jeans. Key Lime Pie, and then we have Parisian Purple, which looks like this one, but it is darker. That's why I was like really making sure of the names so I wouldn't get repeats. Mrs. Periwinkle, so you can put that wherever you like there. Bali Blue, Tangerine Dream, which maybe I should put here, I don't know, with the oranges, and still even more. And again, it's a hybrid ink, so you can stamp and then color. I hardly ever stamp something that's not black or maybe a dark brown and then color, but if you, I don't know what project you're working on that, maybe it's going to end up mixing, then you have that. So Fandango, Pistachios Aplenty, Boysenberry Blast. I'll put that one over there and put this here maybe, I don't know. Maybe that one's more red and pink. Soft Kisses, again, a different shade of pink. Banana Cream Pie, and this one is one that I use pretty often, Prickly Pear Perfection. It's kind of their lime green, in my opinion. A beautiful teal color, tropical sea. We'll put that over there. Tickled pink, so we'll put that here. And then my pinks are overflowing, Marina Madness, and these are all different colors, guys. So that's all the inks. Let me put them back in the box the way she had them, really nice and packed out, nice and neatly, and I'll be right back. Okay. I will say one thing that is a bummer is that it doesn't say on the side the name, so I'm gonna have to label these because I will stack them, but then, you know, I need to know what's what. So that's something we'll have to work on. I was like, maybe in the packaging there's like a little label, but no. So there's that. Okay. I know I have this already, but that's okay. So what I tried to do was pick up all the different the stacks, because I have the stack dies, the ones that are straight across. I have the wave one. I think I picked up one of the stack dies specifically here because it's different than the ones I have, but so I got the Get Well stack, I have the Happy Birthday stack. What happens is you stamp them all and you cut them all at once. And so I pretty much grabbed the stacks I don't have. Christmas sentiments, Halloween sentiments. Apparently there was a lot of them I did not have. I was like, how? I think they came out way before I was aware of them, so there's some that came out and I didn't know that I ever had picked them up. And then these guys, so this is the Christmas one. I had to really look at that because I do have quite a few of the wave sentiments, but they used to be sold sometimes in bundles like on HSN, so I had to like look at my videos, look at listings, and really make sure I didn't have that same sentiment. Christmas wishes, harvest wishes, pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes, hello autumn. I mean, everything's there. These are the ones I wasn't sure, but I have the other set, so it looks like this, but it has different sentiments up here, and that's how I knew it was different. But you're simply the best, and sweet birthday wishes. So we have those, and then some dies. So this one's called Madison's Garden A2 cover plate. I don't have this in my stash, and I think it's pretty, so I grabbed that guy. The plaids, I don't believe I have these. If I have them, I have not used them, which is not like me, especially if I get these guys. I love these. So cover plates die 1, 2, and 3, so they can work independently of each other. They work together, so you can see some different options there of how that might look. And so plaid, really cool. This one, so I have the straight sentiment stack, but it doesn't have the little dovetails, so this one has the dovetails. And then the wave ribbon, I also have that without the dovetails, so this one has the dovetails, and that's what makes that different. And then this is sentiment stack shadow die. This will go behind these guys and thicker, but I don't know if it's this one. Yeah, it is. So it's just to double it up. So see how this one's larger, smaller, whatever it is. And then these are like background pieces for that. So very cute. And then I think I have this one. I'm not sure, to be honest. I feel like I've seen it because I thought I wanted to get it and then I didn't get it. And so here it is. It's just some fun hearts and things that you can throw together or inlay on your card or however. That's what I have, guys. So thanks for watching. I will hopefully shortly follow up with tutorials, and again, the links will be there in the description box. Let me know if you shopped the mega warehouse sale and what you might have picked up. It was a good chance again to get those inks and then to stock up on the sentiment stacks for my purposes. All right, guys, I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.